All right, we should be live. So some crazy stuff happening. USDC pumping like crazy because of our plan to repeg USDC to $1. And Terra Classic was pumping a bit, now starting to dump a bit. And then Bitcoin on the verge of a huge move we should see pretty soon within the next week or so. So some crazy stuff going on. And let me just get this all set up, get this live stream set up and ready to go. All right, let's see here. Get the chat set up. And share this on Twitter real quick. So yeah, go ahead, like the stream, like the video, share it if you can. That's what I'm doing, sharing it on Twitter right now, getting it all set up, and then we'll get into it. So there we go. Should be good to go. All right, so let's check this out. All right, so you can see here USTC been pumping like crazy over the past day or so. Shot up to this resistance, got rejected, came down a bit, but then broke right through it. So let's zoom out a bit. So if we zoom out, beautiful, huge green daily candle, broke right through this resistance at 3.5 cents that we've had for a while. And yeah, that means we could, well, we pretty much almost came up to the next resistance around 5 cents. So yeah, we'll see if we can break through 5 cents, then maybe we can even get up to back to where we were back here, 10 cents. That'd be pretty sweet. Might be a bit of resistance around 7 cents or so at this old high and this level. But yeah, if we can break through 5 cents, might see this pump continue. Volume for USTC still huge. Volume still up another 200%. And actually, if you look down here, you can see the volume from nothing to boom. It was at like 7 million in daily volume, now up to 213 million in daily volume. So that's more like a couple 1,000% increase in the past couple days. So pretty crazy. So since the volume is still super high, potentially we could see this pump continue as long as that volume keeps up. So we'll see what happens. But Terra Classic was, zoom out a bit, it's starting to dump right now, you can see. But yeah, we were starting to come back up, hit the resistance here at 31, got rejected. And now after we've heard the Binance burn news this week was only about 3 billion. That's, people probably disappointed by that number, even smaller than last time. So yeah, we're seeing a dump now. Good chance we'll come down to about 25. Or we may have some support there. And yeah, if we zoom out even more, you can see we're starting to go sideways here, and good chance we could have something like this after this pump where we went sideways for a bit. Good chance we'll go sideways for a while till we see another big catalyst that creates another huge pump, which that could happen within a month or two. So we'll see. And then Bitcoin here starting to get squeezed between this descending resistance and the support at 19,000. And within about a week or two, let's see, by like October 20th at the very latest, probably like October 18th, 19th, will be the apex of this, and Bitcoin will have to either break to the upside or break the support and dump down. So should see a big move coming for Bitcoin within about a week. So it's been going sideways for months and months, but I should see some exciting stuff very soon here. So gonna be sweet. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, USTC, beautiful pump going on right now. And yeah, if you're just joining the live stream, what's up, guys? Hit the like button, share the stream if you can. Would appreciate that. So let's see. So we've got Terra LUNA Classic making me sad. Yeah, Terra LUNA Classic in a bit of a dump. Let's see, but USDC doing some cool stuff here. Yeah, USDC having a really nice pump. Let's see. But Terra LUNA Classic, you know, probably go sideways for a bit. Just got to be patient. Yo, best place to buy USDC, bro. What's up, Fifth Survivor? So, best place to buy it. I don't know the best place. I buy it on Bybit. I like Bybit a lot, so that's where I bought it. Let's see where the markets, what all exchanges have it. So if we look at the markets, so most of the volume for USDC is on Binance, 72%. So Binance is probably a good place to buy it if you use Binance. So it's on USDC is on Binance, KuCoin, Kraken will be Bybit. That's where I bought it. MEXC. It's on quite a few different things. So yeah, that's where you can buy USDC if you want. Although buying it after it's already pumped like crazy like this, it's pretty risky. So I wouldn't recommend buying a pump, but that's where you can buy it if you want to gamble. Number 2 in the house. What's up, League of Legends Warrior? What up, my man? Oh, nice. Your I see your membership badge got upgraded from the pile of dirt, and now it's the log. Beautiful, beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more. Yes, sir. Will we ever see the 0006's range again? Let's see for Terra Classic. So 0006. So pretty much this all-time high that we had here. Will we ever see it again? Yeah, I think so. But we're probably going to go sideways for a bit before the next pump, just like we saw back here. So good chance we could go sideways for like a month, maybe longer, and then see another pump and get back up to the 6s and even higher, go up to 1/10 of a cent. Yeah, I'd say by the end of the year we should see that price again. Hello, Clay. What's up? Babu Balaji. Good entry point for USDC. All right, let's look at it. So whenever you're at support is usually the best time, or when the price is going flat. So like, yeah, price was going flat for a while, so that's a better time. We were down at this support. That was good. This support could have been a decent time, but it ended up breaking down. And then down here was a real nice time. And we saw this huge pump. And then around this level could have been a good time. But we did break that support. So, yeah, I was waiting for it to come down even lower. But then we got this repeg plan, and now we're seeing the pump. So, yeah, pretty risky to buy after it pumped like this much in a day. So if we can come back down to 3.5 cents at this support level, if we come down to 3.5 cents and we start to see a bounce there, then that would be a better entry point in my opinion, because we may see something like this where we see a pump start, comes back down, and then keeps going up. So yeah, but yeah, pretty sweet. We'll see if USDC actually can get repegged to $1. That'd be crazy. Because I mean, yeah, if you buy now at 4 cents and it gets to $1, then that's a massive gain. It's like almost a 30x. So that'd be pretty sweet. And I bought USDC way back here at about just under 2 cents. And then instantly it pumped like crazy. And I was planning to sell right before 10 cents, but I think I was sleeping or something and I missed this. And when I woke up, it was already way back down here. So that was a bummer. It would have been a killer trade. But yeah, still, it's still in profits. So we'll see if USDC can get a big pump going. Then Luna Classic here, yeah, pretty much going sideways a bit. How much time will it take to get $1 with new repeg plan? I have no idea. So I haven't really researched that plan yet. I've been super busy, so I haven't had a chance to read the entire document. It's pretty long, but if you guys want to read it for yourself, I put a link to the repeg plan in the description of the video from yesterday. So if you want to read the whole plan, just go to the video from yesterday and click the link in the description, and you can read the whole thing. But yeah, I'll do some research on it and get a video out for you guys soon on all the details of the plan and what I think of it, as soon as I get time to do that. But yeah, thanks everyone for coming on the stream. Where's everybody from today? So usually people are from like all over the place. Usually I stream at like super late at night, like 1 in the morning Pacific time. I'm on the West Coast US, so usually it's like morning in Europe, so there's tons of people from the UK and stuff. But yeah, right now it's more prime time for the US, so probably more US people here. Chuck H, I'm from Arizona. Yep, we got some US people. Nice. I'm from Arizona too. Well, I'm living in Arizona right now. So originally I'm from Wisconsin. That's where I was born. But yeah, I'm in Arizona right now too. So I'm pretty close to you, Chuck. Babu from India. Nice. That's like the whole other side of the world. Let's look at Terra Classic. Yeah, Terra Classic suddenly dumping pretty hard, but no worries. So in 1 minute went from 28 down to 26. A whale made a huge sell there. Australia. Oh, what's up? How's Australia doing? India, always wanted to be in a Bollywood movie. Yeah, Terra Classic going down a bit today. Let's see what other cryptos are doing here. So we'll go to, where is it? Gainers and losers. Top gainers out of the top 100. So USDC is the top gainer, up 22%. Then Huobi token 19%. Maker up. Most everything else, pretty much everything is down today. So yeah, Chili's way down. Ethereum Classic down. Luna Classic down. Yeah, pretty much everything in the negative. Shiba Inu down. XRP down. Algorand down. Let's look at the top 500. Credit Coin is up. Do you guys know anything about Credit Coin? I don't know anything about Credit Coin. Sounds kind of interesting though. MDX is up. Richquack.com is up. Never heard of that. Okay. Interesting. Chain being way down. Reserve rights down. Decentralized social down. Let's see what credit coin is. Credit coin. 84 million market cap. Pretty small. All-time chart. So all-time high was early 2021. Yeah, pretty much at the peak. Excuse me. Peak hype of the bull run, April 2021. Makes sense. So it's way down at like all-time lows now. Let's see what it is. Launched April 2019 by a team based in the US, Canada, blah, blah, blah. Credit coin aims to address the lack of credit system among the unbanked in the emerging market. People who cannot access the banking system have to borrow from non-banks. However, credit records with non-banks are not accepted by the banks since they cannot trust the data. The project aims to solve the problem by recording credit transaction history objectively on a public blockchain. Interesting. So basically, it tracks credit. That's what it sounds like. So it's like Credit Karma or something. That's what it sounds like. All right, let's go back to USTC. Whew, that's beautiful. Alrighty, so Australia, g'day mate, Barbie time. Put another shrimp on the barbie. You guys remember the movie Dumb and Dumber at the start when the lady pulls up and he's like, "Where are you from?" She's like, "Austria." And he's like, "Oh, g'day, mate." Put another shrimp on the barbie. Midday and raining here. We have all your rain. Oh, so it's like rainy season in Australia, I guess. Nice. It was just the rainy season in Arizona, too. Still a little bit rainy. XYO down 2 G's. Lost $5 from that. I only bought 20 worth a few weeks ago. RIP. XYO. I don't even know what XYO is. Is anyone from the UK? Usually there's a ton of people from the UK. Oh yeah, look at Terra Classic. Big whale sell-off in 1 minute. And then, but yeah, then going sideways again. So this is the 1 minute chart here. Kangaroo steaks. Ooh. What does kangaroo taste like? I think I had kangaroo jerky once, and it's pretty good. And I think I had alligator or crocodile jerky. I think it was alligator. That was pretty good too. Kind of fishy seeming. And snake jerky, also kind of weird, but pretty good. It's 3 a.m. in UK. I think they are finally asleep. Do pubs close at 2 a.m. there? Oh yeah, you're right. It is like 3 a.m. in the UK, so probably not going to be too many UK people here. I have no idea when the pubs close in the UK. But yeah. Yeah, usually I stream at like super late in the night in the US time. So it's like morning UK. So there's a bunch of people from the UK. But probably not today. But yeah, we got Arizona, Australia, India. Where's everybody else from? I'm gonna guess Philippines. Should be like midday, morning maybe. All right, so here's Bitcoin. So what do you guys predict? When do you guys think the bottom of the bear market's going to be? Or do you think we already had the bottom right here, 17,600? Or do you think the bottom's still coming? And when do you think the bottom is going to be? And what price do you think Bitcoin will go down to? Interested to see what you guys think. So I think we're going to see the bottom within the next 2 months. So probably in December. Well, actually, I'm going to say early November. We'll see the bottom. Yeah, early November. That's my guess. And I think the bottom will probably be, let's see. I'm going to go with I'm going to say 16,000 will be the bottom. I don't think anybody else is saying that number, so usually it ends up being a number nobody expects. So I'm going to go with 16,000. 16,000 in November, then we're going to start going back up. But we'll see. Bitcoin will go up next year. Recession will not end soon. Yeah, I agree. I think Bitcoin will go up next year too. I doubt we're going to have a 2-year bear market. As far as the recession, well, basically, I think, well, it appears like the whole global economy is on the verge of collapse thanks to the rate hikes and the monetary tightening by all the central banks. So I think the central banks are going to be forced to stop the rate hikes and start turning on the money printers again here pretty soon. Otherwise, we are going to have a huge collapse. So I think within the next few months, central banks, the Fed, will probably pivot, and then we'll start seeing QE again. And you know, as soon as they start, you know, as soon as they start turning on the money printers again, start the QE, then yeah, Bitcoin should take off. So I think that's what we'll see next year. And then I think we won't actually see a huge economic collapse because I think the central banks will step in to save it. And then, yeah, they'll just keep prolonging it just like they've been prolonging a collapse for decades. So that's what I think. Of course, if the central banks don't do anything, if they just keep raising interest rates, then yeah, we'll definitely see some huge collapses. But I don't think that's going to happen. But what do you guys think? But yeah, it's been about, see, the all-time high was early November, so it's been just about a whole year now, and every other bear market has lasted for about 1 year, so should be close to the end. And really, it's interesting because I feel like the true peak of the bull market was actually back in April of 2021, because like right here is actually when I feel like crypto had the most hype, and there was just tons of hype. Everything was popping off. Altcoins, meme coins, like the most ridiculous stuff was popping off. Like you could buy some new meme coin and get like a 20x in like a couple days. And yeah, and didn't really see that up here. So like a lot of the retail, I feel like after this huge collapse here, a lot of the retail is like, all right, forget this, and they didn't really come back in too much for this. but then we barely squeaked up a higher high than here. So then this is technically the all-time high, but I feel like this actually should have been the all-time high. This had way more hype than here, and as you can see, the volume was actually way higher during this. We didn't actually get that much volume during this, but I don't know, maybe because of the insane inflation going on at the time is why this barely got higher. I feel like this should have just been like a dead cat bounce, but it actually made a slightly higher high. So yeah, pretty crazy. Crow is down 2. Man, glad I didn't buy only a few hundred. We'll buy 2K Crow by end of year. Nice. Yeah, Crow, man. Last year Crow went up like crazy. Like I bought Crow back last year in like February, I think. And then near the end of the year it went up like crazy. And yeah, made thousands off Crow, but yeah, sadly over this year Crow has gone down like crazy. So I did take some profits, but I should have took more profits because yeah, it went way back down. But still super bullish on Crow. I think should do very well over the next few years. So yeah, I'll probably buy some more Crow here soon too, maybe next year. But yeah, actually I've been accumulating some Bitcoin over the past few months. So basically every time, well, not every time, but when it dips down to 19,000, I've been buying. So I think I bought here at 19,000, bought here at 19,000, bought here at 19,000, and yeah. And now we are coming to the apex of this pattern here, where we have I guess you could call it a descending triangle. We have this descending resistance here, and then we have this horizontal support at 19,000, and now we're getting squeezed in between those, which means we're going to either see a big breakout to the upside or a big breakout to the downside, because it's going to have to break one of these, either the resistance or support. So within the next week we should see a huge move. So yeah, so I'm not buying right now. I'm waiting because we might break the support and see a big dump. So yeah, if we break the support, then I'll wait and try to buy at the bottom of that dump. And then of course if we break to the upside, then yeah, then we could see a big pump. So maybe I'll buy as soon as we break the resistance. So we'll see, but yeah, we should see a big move here within a week. So it should be interesting. Oh yeah, hope Crow goes to $5 in a few years, make some good profits from that. Yeah, that'd be sweet. Yeah, I think Crow should do really well over the next few years. All right, let's go back to Terra Classic. Still going pretty flat on the 1 minute anyways. If you look at the 1 hour, not quite so pretty. Basically went from like 31 down to 26 today. But if you zoom out even further, it's not that big of a deal. We're pretty much just going sideways, ranging around here from 25 to the 20s to 30s, just going sideways. And that'll likely continue for a bit until we have another big catalyst that causes another huge pump like this. So yeah. So now it's time to just be a little patient and maybe dollar cost average. This is when you start accumulating more. So like back here, good accumulation phase. This is when I was saying in the videos to buy more, keep accumulating, buy. So yeah, looks like we could be entering that phase again. But USDC actually huge pump over the past day. So let's see, USDC is up about 60% pump here. Still up 43%. So USDC doing great. see the 1 minute. Pretty crazy. So yeah, and we'll see about XRP. So I'm bullish on XRP too. So we'll see if the XRP court case ends soon. And yeah, I feel like next year could be huge for XRP. We'll see. It's pretty much been in a court case for like years now. So pretty crazy. HBAR looks good. Got 1K of it. What do you think about that coin? Nice. Yeah, I like HBAR a lot. I think HBAR is going to do very well over the next few years too. I think HBAR, good chance, could become one of the top coins here over the next few years. So yeah, I think HBAR is good. So like, yeah, of course Bitcoin I think is going to do well. Ethereum should do really well. Had a successful merge, and yeah, it's like super deflationary now, so Ethereum should do super well. And then yeah, HBAR super good, XRP, Quant, Algorand, yeah. I still like Solana a lot. Actually, I hold a lot of Tron too, and Tron, yeah, I made some pretty good profits last year with Tron, and then Tron actually, like, in this bear market held up super well, which is pretty nice. And then yeah, Crow should do really well. BNB, of course, I think is going to do good. I mean, there's a lot. I'm probably forgetting a lot. I think metaverse stuff is going to be huge. So yeah, metaverse, yeah, I think once we get back into a bull market, metaverse is going to take off like crazy, I think. Nice. We'll get up to 5K by early next year. Then just hold. I don't earn lots of money, so I can't invest so much. Otherwise, I would buy those other coins you mentioned. Yeah, it's kind of tough. It's like there's so many good projects out there, but like it's not like everyone has unlimited money and you can just invest in everything. So yeah, it can be pretty hard to choose what you want to buy. It's like last year was funny. It's just like there was so many things I was bullish on, and I'm just like, oh, I gotta buy this, Next thing I know, I just have like a bazillion different cryptos. It's pretty funny. But yeah, it's pretty nice because like the upside is if you buy a bunch of different stuff, then like some things are going to do bad, but then if some things do bad, it's not that big of a deal because good chance some of the things are going to do super well. And like that's what happened. Like some things I lost thousands of dollars on, but then other things like a single crypto would make me thousands and thousands of dollars. So which would make up for like a bunch of ones that didn't do well. Yo, bro, was good. What's route do you think we'll go for the Luna Classic repeg? What's up, Leonardo DiCaprio? Good to see you, mate. What route will we go for Luna Classic repeg? I'm not sure. So basically, what I know is this new plan to repeg it to $1 just came out yesterday, and so now we're seeing USDC pumping like crazy over the past day. And yeah, I've been super busy, haven't really had a chance to research that plan thoroughly, but so yeah, I can't really comment on what route and how exactly it's going to work yet. I'll try to research it and get a video out with all the details, but if you want to read the plan for yourself, you can just go to the video from yesterday, and I put a link in the description to the actual the plan so you can read it. You can read it for yourself if you want. But yeah, be crazy if USDC actually gets back to repegged to $1. Be pretty sweet, because if you're buying at 4 cents and it gets to $1, then that's a huge gain, over 20x. So hopefully that happens. And actually, I bought some when it was under 2 cents, so that'd be over a 50x gain from where I bought. So that'd be pretty sweet. Let's see, let's zoom out. So yeah, I bought USDC back here right when this pump started at just under 2 cents. So yeah, hopefully it gets to $1. That'd be nice. I wouldn't mind going the USTN route. I would just like 10 cents by 2030. I got my 29 mil tokens staked. Just 29 million staked. About 16 tokens a minute. 16 tokens a minute. Nice. 29 million staked. That's pretty sweet. That's quite a lot. That's probably going to give you pretty good rewards per year. So the rewards, I believe, are like you get like 37% APY. At least that's what it was like a month ago. I don't know if it's still that high. I think it is, but yeah, that's a good return. But yeah, I mean, the USTN route actually sounded pretty good to me. I mean, it sounded kind of a bit risky. Could be some risks there, but if they're actually able to do what they say in the USTN plan, then yeah, that plan sounds amazing, because according to what they're saying, they say easily burn 2.5 trillion coins, Terra Classic coins, 2.5 trillion in 12 months. So hey, if there's a plan that can burn 2.5 trillion coins in a year easily, yeah, that sounds pretty good to me. But yeah, we'll see. Apparently people like this repeg plan that just came out, because we're seeing this pump here for USDC. So yeah, I'll have to research it thoroughly and see exactly what I think of it. But yeah, you guys can read it too if you want. The link to it is in the description from the video yesterday. But yeah. But yeah, crazy stuff. Pretty funny. Bitcoin's been at 19,000 since June. July, August, September, October. 4 months. 4 months going flat. Let's see. This was about January to April or May. So February, March, April, May. So this was a pretty similar time frame as this. This is a bit longer. But yeah, what do you guys think? Price is getting real flat here. Does this look like a bear market bottom? I think it kind of does. Might see one last dump, but I think we're pretty close to the end. I think we're pretty close. But yeah. Let's see. Do you guys have any other questions? I don't have a ton of time, so probably not going to be streaming for too much longer. But haven't live streamed in a bit, so wanted to hop on and chat with you guys for a bit. We got some people from India, Australia, Arizona. Where's everybody else from? Let me know in the chat. I'm in Arizona right now. Chuck and I both in Arizona. We might be next door neighbors. Who knows? Be pretty funny. North Dakota, used to live in Arizona. Oh, dang. Fifth survivor. Another person who used to live in AZ. Crazy. How's North Dakota? It's probably pretty cold right now, huh? Is Mount Rushmore in North Dakota or South Dakota? $60 degrees. Oh, wow. Pretty warm. It's also, I'm in Arizona and it's also 60 degrees. What the heck? That doesn't make any sense. Mount Rushmore's in South Dakota. Okay. I've only driven through North Dakota, and it was pretty much like, seemed pretty flat. Or maybe I'm thinking of Montana. I don't know. Yo, I was just in El Paso. Went to White Sands National Park from Minnesota. Oh, interesting. El Paso. I think I've driven through El Paso. I used to live in Houston before Arizona, and then I've been to Minnesota a lot because I grew up in Wisconsin. So yeah, I grew up in Wisconsin, so I know Minnesota pretty well too. I think I've seen you before in person. Lol. In Mesa. Fifth survivor, you used to live in Mesa. Wait, so you're saying you think you saw me in person? No way. No way. That'd be hilarious. Why do you think that? I was in Bismarck, North Dakota for a year. Oh, wow. Leonardo. So you guys were close. By Southern Dobson. Yeah, in my old neighborhood. Alright, so you think you saw me in Mesa? Well, I don't even know if I've ever been to Mesa, so probably wasn't me, but that'd be cool. That'd be pretty sweet. I wish. Hey, I think there's like an alien convention this weekend in Mesa, I think. Are you going to it? I'm not going to it, but it sounded interesting. But I am going to like an alien convention thing in Florida in a few weeks. That should be cool. All right. Yeah, so Bitcoin should see a huge move within a week. Mark my words. And then Terra Classic dumping today, but if you zoom out, we're pretty much going sideways and probably will be for a while. USTC, beautiful pump going on right now. I've lived in North Scottsdale, 101 North, Raintree, and also West Phoenix by 101 and Camelback. Also Happy Valley Road, all over. Oh, nice. Nice. My sister lives in Scottsdale, I think. Have you seen the movie Fire in the Sky? Nope, never seen it. What's it about? Is that an alien movie? All right, USTC pumping, and if we zoom out, we broke this resistance. Might come down for a retest, but if we can break above 5 cents, should see this pump continue, maybe even up to 10 cents. So that's what we're looking out for. That's what we're hoping for. Will we break 5 cents resistance and keep pumping? I'd say probably not, but it's possible. I'd say better chance we'll get rejected at 5 cents. or maybe we've already started to come back down. But yeah, we'll see. Good chance we'll, in the short term, come down for a retest of 3.5 cents, and then see if we get a bounce there. Might continue the pump. But yeah, hopefully we can break 5 cents, keep it going. That'd be sweet. Alien. Okay, so Fire in the Sky is an alien abduction story about a logger from northern Arizona. Okay, I have seen that movie, or maybe it was that movie. So I'm pretty sure there's like a couple different movies about that story, and I don't know if I saw Fire in the Sky, but I saw one of the movies that's about that logger from Snowflake, Arizona. Yeah, I saw that like actually a couple months ago. I saw that movie. It's a pretty sweet movie. I'd like to check out Roswell one day. Yeah, that'd be sweet. Roswell, New Mexico. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool to check out. Sweet, sweet. But all right, guys. Well, like the stream if you can. Share the stream. Would appreciate it. If you're new here, subscribe. I think most of you already are subscribed. But appreciate you guys coming to this live stream. Beautiful USTC pump here. And you can check out the whole repeg plan in the video from yesterday. Link in the description in the video from yesterday. But yeah, we'll see if we can see this USTC pump continue. That'd be pretty sweet. But yeah, thanks for joining this live stream. Always fun to chat with you guys. And I'll try to do another live stream here pretty soon. Hopefully within a week. So appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys later.